So it
Hello,
seems
hello.
like everyone is joining and I can start doing it in the meantime. But still, I didn't give the introductory speech. And hi, everyone. Welcome to our first public demo day at Nest. And my name is Alec. I'm leading the program. And this is our initiative within Ton Society that is aimed to support early stage projects for those builders who want to get their projects from an idea to a scalable product. And each month, at the end of each month, we are showcasing 10 projects from Nest Level 3. That means those are pre-traction level stage projects, traction level stage projects. And as we discussed our today's format, that will be 3.5 minutes per pitch and followed by the same amount of time for the questions from the juries, questions from the people we invited from Ton Foundation, from Ton Ventures, from the Ton Accelerator. And yeah, I think I will need a couple of minutes to promote all the speakers who are joining. And yeah, I would like to also remind all the jury members who got the link for the assessment sheet to keep that sheet open and don't forget to put some marks, put some evaluation into that file. And I think we are now set up and all the projects today, they know the order. And I'm very happy to invite our today's speaker, Hong, please, from Pentacore Games. I think you can start sharing your screen. And in the meantime, I will be preparing my stopwatch. And the next 3.5 minutes will be yours for the presentation.
Oh, do you start right away?
Yeah, you can start sharing. Let's do some quick sound
All
check.
right, just a
And after that,
moment.
we'll be good to go. And yeah, all those people joining here, they join as attendees. And if I see jury members and project names, I will be promoting you to speak so that after the pitches, you could unmute yourself and ask your questions. I think now we are all set up. Hong, please, we see your screen. The stage is yours.
All right. Hello everyone. My name is Hong from Pentacore Games. Our team is consisted of 14 developers, designers, and marketers, mostly 20 plus years in game development, and most of the core team has been in crypto since 2017-18, focusing mainly on games. Our previous projects has been listed on Coinbase, Binance, and Upbit. We have been focusing on RPG games for a long time, which one of our games ranked second on Google Play sales and second and third on popularity, respectively, at the time. And we're currently building 2 games and 1 DAO on Ton. And the first game, Songs of Agnes, has already been live late December last year, and we're still developing, looking into Telegram how to monetize it. And also, we're soon to launch our Prism DAO mini app within March or early April. And currently under development is New Moon. I'll go one by one. So, Songs of Agnes is a vampire survivor style Telegram mini app where one party consisted of 3 characters. We have around 30 plus different characters, and you go through different stages and boss battles to earn rewards. And this is a very base game level of our game, but our early tractions is as so, and we had been steady increase in the game sessions played as we navigated into Telegrams with about 100K peak MAU and 37.44% D7 retention. And recently we saw 51 minutes average engagement time per active user. The next update for Songs of Agnes, we're going to update the adventure mode with stages and level progression, adding new boss monsters, but not just the Web 2 centralized aspect of the game, but actually through these monsters, you will be able to get on-chain loots that will be able to be crafted into different weapons and equipment that can be tokenized into NFTs for people to trade P2P. And the next is our Prism DAO, which is a very forefront and platform part of our game, is that we're opening the game development part to the community, where the community can participate with their ideas, with their proposals, and put it in as a proposal through our DAO, and they can vote it, and whenever it is passed, whenever that asset is inside the game and traded among people, the original author will get the creator fee from the DAO. So this is the current most updated UI of the DAO mini app. Users generate with prompt inside the DAO and then make it into a proposal. And when it's passed, it will be updated in the next update of the game. So what we're trying to accomplish through this ecosystem is to have more community created assets shared among different type of games. With more usage of each asset will increase the value and more creator fee and the price of the assets made by the community. So the next game is our farm sim RPG New Moon that we're currently developing as a semi on-chain farm sim on-ton ecosystem, where each plot of land is the game state is recorded on the Tom blockchain, where people can use something like Dune Analytics to really see how many people are farming which kind of crops, and then can sell it to the NPC or through other players. So we've gone past the pre-seed phase and we're currently in the seed phase. Asking for $1 million US. We're looking into VCs. And this is a QR code if you're interested in our game or myself. Thank you.
Okay, well done, Hong. Right on time. And let's see if we have questions. So if someone from the jury members wants to ask about Pentacore Games, about Songs of Aeneas, please go for it.
That was a quick pitch.
So let's give it a moment. All right, I think there are no questions for now. It's all clear. Thank you so much, Hong.
Thank you
And
for having me.
let's then move on to our next speaker. It is project named Totemancer, represented by Georgi.
I share my screen. It's all good. It's visible.
Yep, we see it now.
Oh, great. We can start when you're ready.
Yes, we are good to start.
All right. So what is Totemancer? Totemancer is a PvP turn-based strategy game on Telegram. To introduce our game a little bit better, we need to understand the current challenges in the Telegram gaming market. The main issue, what I see, is its lack of fun and creativity and over-focusing on airdrops and tasks with no real plans beyond the airdrop phase. To how to solve this, what is the solution to all of this? It's a fun-first game that appeals to casual Web2 players while attracting Web3 legends. It needs to be fun with friends and family and provide instant rewards. So what makes a game good? A good game is competitive, where players fight for wins and ranks on leaderboards. A good game is challenging. It has a task. We have on-chain achievements and badges as some mintable trophies of achievements. A good game has mysteries, shop rotations, secret unlocks, hidden mechanics. We aim to make the game as social as possible, like what we can see here with sticker reactions. Also with instant rewards like getting in-game currency, the premium currency in-game, clan XP points, and always show proper feedback. I like to call the game as an evergreen game because it's always fresh, always relevant, with unlimited replayability options. I know some of you what might think that East Telegram is ready for competitive play. Players have low attention span. They not like to wait in lobbies to get matchmaked and such. But let's see how we solve it, how we address this. So with fast skill-based matchmaking and trainers to fill gaps if no one to match with. Moving on with some go-to-market strategies. We already launched Telegram Stars and Ton affiliate programs, and we aim to enhance our clan programs to get players and groups and communities together. We need to make this more rewarding and more fun. we aim to do so. So just a few words about us. The team behind Totemancer is already working together over the past 10 years. We built projects such like Minerstat, where we, from a personal project, we scaled to a global platform with 1 million users, 2 million machines, and over 10 million monthly visitors. Some of our numbers, this last month was our best, where we collaborated with multiple projects in the ecosystem. What could be next from our roadmaps is such as tournaments and sponsored arenas, improvements on progression system for better player feedback, integrating Telegram gifts and token rewards, and export potential is an image over the Telegram gift integration, what we tested. The esports is probably the best to highlight from here, because we have strict set of rules and we fit in that category, but I'm short on time. So what we need right now is 200 to 500,000 funding to expand our team, secure liquidity for tokens, scale marketing and KOL campaigns, and gain mentorship and from Grow experts. So I try to be fast as possible. Thank you. And I'm ready to future collaborate and discuss further if there are any questions. If no, so fine.
Yeah, thank you, Georgi. And I see your hand. Alyona, please.
Yeah, Georgi, thank you very much for the pitch. Probably I missed it, but can you please repeat whether you already make profit on the game? Because I remember your game, like it has existed for, I think, like several months for sure, right?
We started developing in end of 2023. But yes, we are in profits because we implemented star options, and the most of comes from NFT mints, because when you unlock an NFT, you need to pay a small various amount of ton, depends on the rarity, and we already have positive numbers, yes.
Can you bring up any specific number, please, if that's not confidential?
One NFT, the common ones is 0.36 tons, and
I mean, in terms of the revenue,
we are under 20, maybe 15 to 20,000 range, depends on what Toncoin price
per
you
month.
look at.
Per month, is it monthly number?
Monthly 2 to 3,000 maximum.
Okay.
At this moment, yeah.
Right, and then in terms of the metrics, so in the mini app, I see 40K monthly active users, right? What is
the current one? Yes.
What is the number of on-chain users, like those, for example, who purchased NFTs?
In total, numbers is around 9,000 people. The unique holders, that's all unique wallets. So we are around that number.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, we still have a minute. If someone has any comments or questions, please go for it.
I can also talk more about some, because I rushed through, because it would be more healthy to present in 5 minutes, but maybe another time. So I can just look back on something and explain in more detail.
Yeah, let's then cover one more question. I see Shashank's hand. Shashank, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yeah, I have a very nice project. My question is like, apart from having this like NFT mint like this, most of the project do in gaming. What do you think? Like, what's your plan of having another source of revenue apart from NFT mint? Or like, are you planning anything, or like, are you like hopeful like you'll be getting some in-game purchases in terms of assets or anything? Like, what's your plan for?
I not presented it, but we already have. You can purchase customization border to make your avatar tinier. NFTs also providing in-game boosts, and we have revenue on resale 10% on all the resale values. Plus a lot of monetization. We have a peer-to-peer PvP like arena mode where players can compete with each other. We have a exchange fee. Also,
so what's your traction on that apart from that NFT sale? What's your traction on other source of revenue?
as a source of revenue, almost 9,000 NFTs and SBTs minted in total, so around 4.4. each of them. So the NFTs comes in various prices depends on rarity. So from 0.3 ton to make it like very accessible to everyone to 10 plus ton, 12 to 16.
So my question is like, apart from that NFT mint, like, and you have implemented other source of revenue also. What are those?
Yes, yes, of course. I
Okay.
just explained.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
All
Feel
right.
free to check the app, and in the menu you can see the shop option and you can purchase in-game currency like avatar designs and like, but due to Telegram need to use Telegram stars, that's available in Telegram stars on platforms where like iOS, where tools are not available for purchase with Tom. So,
Okay, yeah, thank you so much, Georgi. We are a bit short on
Sure.
time and we need to move on to the next speaker.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
And I would like to invite project named Ton Trading Bot.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
Min, hello,
we are
hello.
here.
Yeah. So please start sharing your screen. Let me just
Okay.
give you the right. So yeah, now you can start
Okay.
sharing your screen and we can start your pitch.
Okay. Yes, please give a moment, please. I will share my screen. Okay. So can you see my screen already?
Yes, we see your entire screen. We see the
Okay.
presentation
So
now.
yes. So hello, we are from Ton Trading Bots, and we are with the visions. We are aiming to be the DeFi gateway on the fingertips. And so now we would like to be as the one of the top one trading bot on Tons. And so we will go through on some of the content, why Ton trade bots, and we will review about our business model, revenue model, as well as for the growth, future plan, and some of the financial transaction overview and our attractions. So as you know that Ton, because we are the big fan of Telegram and Bavendu as well. And thanks to the Telegram mini apps for the last year, they bring much adoption to Tons. So, and why Ton? Because for the Telegram, to our understanding, is as the web 2.5, so that they can bring more user to Telegram, as well as we can tap into the user of the Telegram as well. So that is will go globally very quickly. But on the Ton network, they have some problems right now on the DEX because the transaction is very slow. And in the DEX, there's have some limit features, so that the user and the trader, they cannot trade the token very quickly, something like this. And for the DEX, of course, on Ton, there's easily to use for the scam token if the trader they use the DEX. So we came up with that idea and came up for the solution is the Lightning Speed Swap and more feature on the Ton trading bot. So from the Ton trading bots, we have the teams enough of the capacities and resource with the very experienced teams. We got the support from the Son trading bot as well. So Son trading bot is the #1 bot on the Sons already. And so for the Ton trading bots, we also have the huge fans of the trading bot, social media, and support tools, as well as our features, a lot of features. I can show you some of our attractions that our monthly trading. So we have the total volume of the, it's over 40 million ton already. For 40 million US dollar in ton. And for the user, so today we acquire over 900,000 users with the total transaction of 3 million users. So it's a huge users. And so our market is not only Vietnam, but also for the Southeast Asia and the CIS market as well. So for the Ton trading bots, it's a lot of features, like for the trading features, the snipper can use to buy and sell token very quickly and at the precise price. So they can also do the copy trace or the launch token like the meme bet or something like this, so that they can create the token very quickly on the Ton trading bot. And as well as we have the basic features, like we can have the managed wallet and a lot of wallet for users, or manage the balance or the transfer or the fast swap, so that they can interact with the Ton fund. So last but not least, we have the huge affiliate program and the referral program, so that they can invite friends to join and set up the many advanced features. So how we do the business in the Ton trading bots? We have the transaction fees, the freemium business model, staking, and the tokenomic as well. And so what is our business model? I can show you. For the revenue model, we have the revenue from the Ton bot, revenue from the subscription model, and the launchpad revenue. Because we are not only the startup project, because we have the traction already.
Sorry,
And
Min, your time is up. Please conclude your
okay.
speech. Maybe some final call to actions. And in the meantime, if you guys have something to ask about on trading bot, please raise your hand and unmute yourself. Yes, Josephine, please go for it.
Yeah, hello, Min. I just want to ask about you guys' plan to expand to the global market because I believe that revenue and also want to become the DeFi gateway is your target and the mission in the future, right? So can you share a little bit about that? Thank you.
Yes. Of course we have the future plan as well. So we are not only the trading bot, because in our plans we would like to be as the DeFi gateway. So what does the DeFi gateway mean? It means that we are the gateway for the user on Ton, so that they can use the launchpad, so they can create the token, as well as we will be the innovation hub as well. We have the AI trading or the robo advisor trading, something like this. And we positioning our Ton trading bots is the DeFi gateway on the fingertips. So what is the fingertip? It means the fingertip is just a Telegram app, but it can be mass adoption to everybody, to everyone, something like this. And of course, to build, we would like to build and scale the ambassador program to host and participate in the community driven as well. And so now we focus in Vietnam and CIS area, but we will do it's a global market, such as China, Hong Kong, India, Korea, something like this. And in our vision, we will be one of the leading global DeFi gateway on Ton in the end of 2029.
Okay, yeah, let's cover two more questions because we are short on time and I see two hands. Yeah, Aliona, please.
Thank you very much for the pitch. It was very good, and yeah, I know your product. I heard a lot. Question is like, the numbers that you've achieved are great already, but how do you want to scale it? Like, what is the go-to-market strategy essentially? How do you want to attract more users?
Yes. So actually, as I told you that we are not only the Ton bot. This is just our first beginning. So we would like to develop the Ton bot, and as well we will the launchpad as well. And for the user, we have many schemes for user, not only for the trading, but also for referral program. So we also have the scam detection and the many mini bot or the sub bot. It means we have the Ton trending, something like the Ton trending on the Ton verify, so that the user they can check the CA very quickly, something like this. And we believe that beside the launchpad, so in the Ton ecosystem, it would be a very huge potential, because if we can use it for the payment, for the gifting, or for the NFT, just by in the click by the fingertips by the Telegram. Yeah. And well, that's why we go to the market. And in our plan to go to the market in the CIS or in the Hong Kong, as I mentioned to you, that we will have some events for the community, and we will reach to not only the crypto industry but also for the traditional finance as well.
All right. And I think we are very short on time, but still, let's do some kind of very quick, very short questions and very short answers. Shashank, please.
Yeah, so very nice product. I just want to ask you, what's your distribution in terms of users and in terms of volume across the geography? Like, which country you think is like your go to, or like the biggest, contributing you in your bot? Do you have any bifurcation of like this?
Yes. Yes, of course. This is our user. Then this is our real user. We have the trading volume over 200 million already. And as you know, of course, because the firstly they came from the Vietnam, because Vietnam is the top four market in the global crypto market and for the crypto adoption. But in our plan, beside the Vietnam, we will develop to the CIS market as well as for China, Hong Kong, and India in 2025. Yeah.
So like you already have any distribution number or anything? If you can like share this with me later also, it's I have no issue. So yeah.
Yes, of course. For our user, we already have a lot of user from CIS country and also have the distribution already.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, we are exceeding the time limitations, so for that reason, we need to move on to the next project. Sorry about the rest of the hands which are up, and yeah, I will send all the details in the follow-up message as well. And you guys already have these evaluation sheets where you can find all the pitch decks and contact details of our today's speakers. And at this time,
Thank
at
you.
this moment, I would like to invite our next speaker. Yeah, thank you, Min. Project named FinTax. William, please, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Alec. So
Thank
let
you.
me
Yep.
share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
So can you see it now?
Yes, it's here.
Okay, cool. So hello everyone. This is William from FinTax. FinTax is a financial and tax management software for crypto asset, and FinTax is already the market leader in Asia in crypto field. So we are building furthermore cutting edge apps in Tang ecosystem this year. One of it is AI agents which targeting at 10 million paying users on Tang. And another one is an ultimate DID, which making Tang address as the ultimate identity in Web3. So start from what we have done before. FinTech Suite is a software as a service product for institutions. We've already covered around 30 big name crypto institutional clients. Half of them are mining companies and half of them are blockchain projects like Bouncebit, Unisat, and etc. So as you can see in this page, from Nasdaq listed companies to well-known Binance listed blockchain projects are all our clients already. So that's why we are the market leader. And we are moving super fast this year on individual customer side, and we want to partner with Town Foundation to move in a accelerated pace, and because we already have a mini app on Town and also Telegram, and every single users can use their Town address, the single sign-on, to use our FinTax individual version product to help them to figure out their P&L and to calculate their capital gains and even to do the tax filing during the tax season. So as Benjamin Franklin said, death and tax are the only two things certain in this world. We are going to make an AI agent to solve these tax pain points in the crypto field, and we're going to make it live on Telegram in Q2 this year, and it's already live on our official website. And furthermore, we are going to we've already have 4,000 mini app users, and we are going to transfer them into a paying users this year, and we are targeting reach because tax is a field which has a huge user base, where we are going to reach around 700K paying users this year on Town Network, and furthermore, we have a strong strategy on building a DID system on Town, because all all the users have different addresses in different blockchains, and they are separate from each other. But we want to build a all-in-one DID system that could be the only identity in terms of tax for paying tax to the government which they belongs to. So we want to build connections between the addresses, and the town address will be the decentralized ID, and all the other blockchains addresses will
Sorry,
be
William.
attached to the
The
town
time is up.
address.
Please do some final conclusions.
Okay, so we have a very strong team consists of both Web3 experts and also Big Four accounting firms professionals. And we are looking for 2.1 million funding this round, and we have 1.5 million US dollar fund raised in the previous round. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So let's see the questions. Sahil, your hand is up.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for the presentation. Quick question: Is this? I don't know if I missed it, but is this tax only for crypto payments or crypto transactions that are done, or is it also to do with fiat payments?
Currently, we only do the tax calculation in crypto, but in the near future, we're going to integrate the traditional tax features into our product.
Got it. And I mean, it's quite a complex mechanism, right? Because every country has a different taxation. So are you going country by country, or what's your user acquisition strategy looking like? Yeah,
Yeah, thanks to the AI technology these days, we can integrate one jurisdiction in just 3 hours. Last week, we just integrate Austria in Europe in just one day. And we've already support around 10 countries in the world, and 7 of them the functions already live our official website products. So we support United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Korea, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Yeah.
got it. Thank you so much. And one quick last question. Once you activate, let's say, um, a facility for providing tax for a particular country, how do you acquire users in those particular countries? How do you do your outreach, and what's your GTM there?
Yeah. Oh, actually, we've already performed successful in the B2B strategy. That's why we have the most, institutional clients than other players, and as our clients, and we leverage our B2B2C power. So we trying to to cooperate with big players with a huge individual customer base to do the P2T2C strategy to reach to cover all the individual customers worldwide, and also we find that it's quite interesting that even individual customers they have the same needs as the institutional clients, because they want to start from consulting rather than start to calculating their tax with software. So why we build these AI agents, because we find every single users, their first step is to figure out whether they need to pay tax, what is crypto tax, why they need to pay tax in this kind of blockchain and the crypto field. That's why
Got it.
we have this personal consultant, AI agent consultant for them, and it's
Got it.
quite useful for individuals.
So
Thanks, William.
we
Just
are.
sorry, just one last question. What kind of support do you need right now, William, from us?
Sorry,
What kind of support are you seeking?
uh, with a part, we're seeking seed round funding.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much for your time, William. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sahil, for
Thank
your
you.
questions. And yeah, we are a bit late on the schedule. And thank you, William, for presenting and answering the questions. We need to move on to the next speaker now. And I'm inviting Nick from Token Tactics.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hello, Nick. We can hear you well.
Yep, let me share the screen. Okay. Does it work? Yeah.
Yes, we can see your screen, but we don't see you.
One moment. Okay. Okay, let's
Yeah,
get started.
it's all good.
So I'm Nick, co-founder of Token Tactics and Web3 marketing agency. We've been in crypto marketing since 2018, specializing in influence marketing across YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media. My co-founder with a strong background in strategic marketing and user acquisition has been consulted top Web3 projects like Didast and OnStarter. So together we bring deep expertise in Web3 scaling. We offer a simple and safe onboarding for Web2 users to the crypto world through a friendly interface, gamification, and the opportunity to earn some real USDT. Token Tactics is a crypto portfolio simulator that simplifies trading, eliminates risk, and maximizes engagement, helping users learn and earn. How it works. Users receive VUSD. This is the internal token of chain at the first entrance and can start trading immediately. They can buy or sell different coins through very simple mechanics without any risks. All coin prices are displayed in real time. We got it from CryptoRank and Binance. Also, there is an option to earn some real USDT. Our achievements, we have attracted some traffic for the test and received these numbers. Maybe not of all are correct right now, but yeah, we have 21,000 monthly users, 1,200 daily users. We have already more than 2,000 connected Ton wallets. And about retention, D1, this is 24% right now, D7, 12% right now, and D14 is 8%. Retention metrics are above mini apps averages. The retention chart is smooth. The difference between 14th and 30th day is only 1%. Our revenue streams, sorry, there is a mistake on this page. We have three main streams for revenue. The first one is in-app purchases. Second one, this is viewing ads by users. For instance, if user wants to return some money after unprofitable trade, they can watch an ad. And the second one, the third one is sale of advertisement packages. For instance, StoneFi have already bought ads in our application. Yeah. This is our investment proposal. And some good information for us. As I said before, we partnered with StoneFi and ToneKeeper as well. ToneKeeper will add us to the browser section, and I'd like to say thank you guys from the open platform for that. Yeah. And
Okay.
That's
Yeah,
all.
the time is up.
Yep.
So let's proceed to the Q&A part. So if there is someone who has questions about token tactics, please raise your hand and unmute yourself. So, Yuki, please.
Just could you expand a little bit further on the revenue streams?
Sorry, can you repeat, please? Some issues with my internet connection.
So can you expand a little bit further in your revenue stream, like the in-app purchases? What type of in-app purchases you mainly promoting?
This is different options in our store, so users can buy boosters for trading, for instance, monthly pass or insurance or daily booster or additional balance. And right now we got more than 1,000 USD revenue per month.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
If there is something else that we want to ask about token tactics, we still have a minute. Okay, if no questions so far, let's then move on. Thank you so much, Nick.
Yeah, thank you for your attention.
I am inviting the next speaker. It is project named Beast Tycoon. Tim, are you here?
Yes. Hey, Alec. Thank you.
So please start your screen sharing and we will be turning on the stopwatch.
Thank you very much. So
It's
please
here.
scan this. Can you see my screen now? Great. Yeah, today I'm going to present the game called Beast Tycoon. So in summary, Beast Tycoon is a play-to-earn blockchain game built on Ton. It's hosted exclusively on Telegram mini apps, and it offers immersive gameplay while earning Beastie tokens, Ton NFTs, and other rewards for the player. So the problem we're trying to solve is that Web3 games, they like interactive gameplay, and Web2 games, they don't offer any tangible rewards for players' time and money. Our solution is Beast Tycoon with interactive gameplay and different monetization techniques for players. So how Beast Tycoon works. Here is a small demo. The player moves to designated areas to unlock producers, then sells goods to customers, and he earns money for this, and he uses them to upgrade his business by hiring workers, upgrading structures, and other elements, and also buying some additional stuff that looks cute and gives additional boost to different businesses. Also, there are different partner tasks and Beast Tycoon tasks inside the game, which give player additional income. And we have popular mechanics such as roulette, where player can win ton and other items that can be used in the game. We also have skins, which change character appearance and also boost his income and different abilities. And of course, we have leaderboards where players earn daily rewards, only the top players. So far we have 40,000 players and 3,000 daily active users in 20 plus countries. We have good retention rate metrics. Players played over 100 years of human lifetime in our game, and we have one channel that advertising channel where unit economy works. In terms of blockchain, we have 3,000 wallets connected. We are working on NFT skins and items and smart contract to list on DEX and SEX. The utility of BST token will be that players spend it to unlock in-game features such as locations and items. And also it is paid as the gas fee when players trade items between each other. And here is our tokenomics. So gaming market is growing, and we are one of the first games that offers such engaging gameplay on Telegram. And our business model is direct sales, ad views. We have implemented some of them, but not everything. We still have some something to develop. So in terms of competition, according to our analysis, our engagement is higher due to more complex gameplay and game meta. And also we offer rewards to players weekly before the TG. Our team is made of professionals with experience in game dev. So in terms of stages, we have completed first stage where we onboarded players and started earning some money. We are now actively expanding, and our final stage is token generation event. We are looking for funding to list on DexSex, do the marketing and market making, and develop some new features. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Tim. And let's start the questions. So if you guys have something to ask about Tycoon, please go for it. We have 3 minutes of time. All right, I will count that as everything is clear. Thank you so much, Tim. And
Thank you.
then we will need to move on to the next project, and I'm inviting Ignat from TMA Wallet. And just a second. So yeah, now you can start sharing your screen, Ignat, and start your pitch.
Hi everyone, thanks a lot for having me today, Alec. You also called me like Ignite.
Sorry for that. Yeah.
No, don't worry. So I'm starting to igniting the call.
That's a word that I recently saw from one of the chatbots. I've been using that. That's the reason why it came to
Yeah,
my mouth.
amazing. I love it. So thanks, Alec. My name is Ignat. I would like to present my project TMA Wallet, which is a wallet as a service solution for Telegram mini apps devs to integrate multi-chain wallets inside their mini apps. So let me introduce my team. So my co-founder and technical lead is Danila. So Danila has 15 years in engineering, mostly in deep tech. He is a serial entrepreneur, has 2 exits, and he co-founded together with me Elite, which was a Web3 communication protocol. We raised institutional capital and achieved 2 million users in it, but then shifted into gaming. And me myself, I launched the DeFi hedge fund previously, Edge Capital, which is now 250 million assets under management. So I'm 8 years in the space, and we built together Elite. So shifting to our current project. So while building applications on top of our game engine, we face the problem with access to different chains other than Ton. And we call it trilemma of wallets. You're either inefficient or insecure or incompliant. In terms of inefficiency, so while providing the access to other chains through Ton Connect, you are redirecting to other wallets. Basically, you are cutting your conversion rates, or you need to build your own wallet to make it listed on the Ton Connect. So it's much more costly. So, or you need to choose to be insecure, providing custodial wallets to your users, and they bear additional risks, this custody risk on your project. Or you need to share like both private keys to some embedded wallets solutions like Dynamic. Or you can also provide access to other chains through Wallet Connect, but the user experience is awful. Yeah, but it also is incompliant with the new Telegram rules. And so what we want to build is to solve this trilemma. So and we've built TMA Wallet as a wallet as a service solution, how to embed multi-chain wallets in a compliant way with a great user experience and secure. So TMA Wallet is secure. It's based on multi-party computation technology and leverages the latest developments in Telegram cloud storage and Telegram native asynchronous cryptography. It's efficient in terms of you don't need to channel your traffic to any other application. So and it's blockchain agnostic. You can integrate EVM chains, Solana chains, And after all, we can also integrate Ton, so you can provide. But I believe that wallet experience is a great one, and it's also compliant, so it follows all the rules of Telegram, and you're still compliant with the new idea how to give access to multi-chain. So let me show how it works. For application, you can also try it yourself. So here's what we've built for Blum, right? So you're generating the wallet. The wallet is automatically created, and you have under the hood automatically created EVM wallets, Solana wallets. You can also provide Bitcoin wallets, Cardano wallets, anything you want. So if something is not currently built on Ton in terms of DeFi, for example, like Pandal, you can give access to them in other chains. So it's a very easy integration, just 3 steps for developers. We have a full suite of dev analytics and dashboards.
So we are short on time and the time is over.
Good. So it's an open source model, enterprise generating for custom builds and transaction-based revenue on the additional modules. We are raising 450K at 4.5 million valuation, and would be happy to answer any questions.
Okay, let's start the questions part. If there is someone who has questions, please raise your hands.
Hi. Quick question. Firstly, thank you for the presentation. I want to understand if this allows for any wallet to be added, like what I can add my private key from MetaMask into this, and that will be loaded, and I can then transact on Ton chain or cross chain, or will it be a Ton wallet that is allowing me to interact with any wallets across different chain? Could you help me understand this part a little, please?
Yeah, so basically, let's imagine that you're building a Telegram mini app and you want to provide access to some transactions on EVM. So what is your option? The only option is to channel your traffic to mini apps that are listed on Ton Connect. If you want, probably they don't support some chain, or they don't want, you don't want to decrease your conversion rates, channeling your traffic to other applications. What was the problem before the new Telegram rules were introduced, like channeling the traffic to MetaMask? So here's a solution. You can integrate your own wallet, which is secure, right? It's turnkey solution. You can integrate inside Ton Connect. So you are creating non-custodial MPC-based wallets on your side for your users inside your application. You're not channeling anywhere, and you can leverage any chain and stay in compliant with Telegram rules. So basically, what I'm saying is that this is the only solution how to provide access to EVM Solana without channeling your traffic to any other mini app application.
So I think now it's clear. If there is something else that we want to ask, please. We have a minute, 1.5 minutes.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Sahil. Great question.
Okay, then, if there are no more questions for for TMA Wallet, I will now invite the next speaker. Thank you, Ignat. And now we would like to move on to the project name Nexton. Kim, please.
Hi, could you hear us?
Yes.
I'm really sorry, but if I turn my camera on, it seems like my presentation is a little bit glitching, so could I turn the camera off? Is it okay?
Yeah, let's do so.
Yep, thank you so much. Yeah, so actually, I really love Tron ecosystem. So many awesome projects, but we wanted to solve some problems. For example, the liquidity is locked inside the Tron ecosystem. For example, there are really many users to the projects like Netcoin or other attractive projects, but we didn't know what to do with those tokens. For example, the projects are a little bit separated, even DeFi's. So we wanted to make something that could connect the DeFi's. We wanted to make almost every asset in Tron ecosystem depositable. Like you can deposit Netcoin, you can deposit those, you can deposit ST-Town. So something like that is Nexton. So we built the product like that. For right now, you can actually try to use that on the Telegram ecosystem. If there is a time, we want to show you the UX UI, but maybe not for right now. Actually, I think those numbers are still small, but we are 100% confident in like the raising of the numbers. And actually, this is like 200% growth compared to the last month. We are not doing advertisement with it. Actually, uh, I already had one exit experience. Back then, we had like users more than 1 million. So yeah, I think like we're pretty confident. Actually, Nexton is consisted of pools, which is like the liquid staking pools or other kind of Bitcoin staking pools. And then it goes to some of the more device like EVA, BMO, other partnership device. And we do the arbitraging with the deposited assets. Um, in this case, we have to think about like what could we do with the assets that are not turned that are not coins or other kind of the meme tokens or the LSTs. We arbitrage them, we make them being circulated inside the ecosystem. We provide liquidity to the partnership device, and maybe that is why we got the standby grants. That is why our partnership projects love us. Yesterday, just trivial, but yesterday, the founder of the BMO worked at our office, Seoul, South Korea, and something like that. Actually, we are pretty confident with the arbitration votes because like we are the part of the bigger company called Blockwave Labs. We are doing the arbitration whole day, whole year. We are making some money out of that. And actually, we are planning to share our profits with our users. Yeah, fortunately, we managed to keep the highest rate of profit inside the Tron ecosystem as well. And actually, we finished the building of the AI agent. Actually, I am a little bit curious of like when we call it AI agent, it may sound hard to the normal users. So that is why I think like this is just another kind of interface, like the bots in the Telegram ecosystem. And actually, users can say in their natural language, just like more tone or more tone, and then AI agent would understand that and yeah, do the things that you want, or put in more tone to the next one, to the things like that. So actually, we are doing some experiments with the Telegram's interactive assets and functions. So I'm going to be a little bit quick because like not that much time. The points.
So the time is almost over. Please make some conclusion.
Yep. The pi is APY, and we want to be something like Tron ecosystem connector. Yeah, we are not rival with the Tron ecosystem projects. Yeah, we can be connector to anything. Yeah, and actually, Ethan Klein from Standby and Alex from Alex from EVA is our advisor for right now. We have some I got some winning experience and other experiences inside the Tron ecosystem and also the Tron ecosystem.
So let's
Lovely
see if we have any
finish it.
questions. So if there are any questions about next
Yeah,
time,
just can you show me your team or like the details of your team again?
Sorry, could I ask one more time?
Yeah, can you like share some details about your team or like show me the slide of your team?
Demo, of course. So our team and our team has some talented developers. They have much experience on Tone as well. If it is okay, I can share another screen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's okay. It's okay.
this is.
Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe not. Yep. So yeah, we are making some profits out of our arbitrage books. Yeah, we are
Yeah.
looking for the brighter future.
So the question was about the team, and now we have another hand. Sahil, please go for it.
Hey guys, quick question. Are you guys building on your AI agent is built using some existing framework like Eliza or something else out there, or is it proprietary?
A great question. First of all, due to the glitch, sorry for the misunderstanding the question about the team. And secondly, yes, actually the MVP version didn't use any framework, but we've got some prizes in the some kind of the natural AI contest. We had the experience of like building AI agents or the framework, so we built it by ourselves. But maybe our second version will use the Elijah OS plugins because they are lovely to use.
Got it. Thank you. And one more question. Are you guys also doing so from what I understood, imagine I give this app to my grandmother. She can just be like, hey, stake X number of ton or generate, I want some yield being generated from my ton, and this app would essentially go and stake it in some pool. Is that correct?
Yeah, I think that is correct. If you
Okay,
deposit your tone inside our protocol, yeah, we bring it to the
got it.
liquid staking protocols. We get the LSTs and we arbitrage. Yeah, the
Got
similar
it.
things happen to other assets. Yeah.
No, so I have a follow-up question. Sorry, that wasn't the main one. That was just the context. Are you guys allowing for cross-chain swaps right now, or is it only pertaining to the Tron ecosystem?
Sorry, there are some places in my computer, but if it was the question
Mm,
about like we are
Sure,
trading
sure, sure.
Bitcoin.
Does Nexton have capabilities to allow cross-chain swaps? Can I type in,
Oh yeah,
hey,
sure.
yeah, so I can basically buy a Solana meme coin or I don't know, some other project's token directly using Nexton, and the
Yeah,
settlement would be on Ton.
those functions are coming because like there is the team called Factorial Finance. They asked us about like building some bridge between Bitcoin and Tone. And like that, we have some experience in cross-chain swap or the multi-chain swap. So yeah, those functions will be coming. But our base is Tone. Yeah.
Great. And sorry, one last question, Alec. You said you've raised already, or are you raising right now?
Um, if it was a question about fundraising, yes, we are
Yeah.
raising our fund. We already raised 500K. We are currently raising a seed investment. Yeah, we were raising 1.5 billion out of like 15 million valuation. And actually, there is a team called DAO Makers. They asked us about the 1 million funding together. So yeah, we are just considering that proposal. Yep, it is like that. But we think
Got
like
it.
we are a profitable project. We can make our investors rich, maybe. Oh yeah,
Got
and
it.
we are already the partnership with Ember, DWF, and Dataio. We are talking with OKX too.
But when you say you have a partnership, what does that mean with Gate.io? Are you listed there, or is it the labs, or is it the what from Gate.io is your partner?
Uh, it means that we got confirmed our listing from Gate.io, but we have to keep it secret. It means.
Got it. Okay. Got it. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Sahil, for questions. And Yuki, your hand is up. Please, let's cover one more question.
Just a quick question, because you refer yourself as the fund management, right? Do you have like quant research to ensure like a high yield? Like what's your particular strategy to enlarge the return so you can take a certain management fees?
Actually, there are some strategies, multiple strategies. First of all, we are really used to using the multiple chains, multiple assets, and multiple exchanges. so that like we try to do the as many as trading that we can do. And secondly, we are using the ecosystem device. For example, sometimes there are not that much opportunity for the arbitraging with the tone. So that in those cases, we can collateralize our tone by EVA protocol and borrow some stable coins and trade them. So that like this, we can find any kind of the opportunities in the market. We are doing more and more trading every day. We are also in the good partnership with the ecosystem DeFi, the best DeFi in the tone ecosystem. And yeah, by that, we can get some fee paybacks. And we are already talking about that with the DeFi. So maybe that could be the answer.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, just consume the time. I finish here.
Thank you,
so much.
Yogi. So let's move on to the next project. Thank you so much, Minik, for presenting Nexton. And I am inviting, we have still 2 more projects to pitch here today, and I'm inviting Siver from Arena, Arena, if I'm mispronouncing it. So we can see
Hi
your screen
everyone.
now.
Yeah. Oh, hi everyone. So this is Arena, where your esports dream team awaits. So we have a lot of esports titles today. There's Fortnite, Mobile Legends, Dota 2, and recently Dota 2 had a $40 million prize pool. And there's really one thing that we want to do when we're talking about esports fantasy is that we allow our players to create their own team, right? So they don't really need to follow the teams that are currently fighting in the esports tournament, but they can create their own dream team. And this industry is not new within the traditional sports industry. So in traditional sports, the esports industry, the sports fantasy industry is worth $32.75 billion, but for esports, it's still up and coming, and there's no large name app yet. So in Southeast Asia, there's around 254 mobile gamers in 2024, and there's estimated to be 13 million esports viewers in 2019 alone. And it's expected that there's 26.8% increase by 2030. And again, there's no fantasy esports apps that's located within Southeast Asia. So I, alongside with my friend, who's a former pro esports player at Mobile Legends, wanted to create an application that's esports fantasy and a mix of crypto as well. And so this is where Arena comes in. So our unique selling proposition is to combine digital collectibles as well as fantasy esports together, where the idea is you have to be able to open a pack, you purchase a pack, you collect athlete cards, you compete these athlete cards, and then you win cash prizes after that. So with that, as of the moment, we released our POC where we have a freemium tournament that's running. So we have free tournaments. You don't really need to collect athlete players yet. And we've already launched within the Philippines, and we want to expand to Indonesia, Malaysia, those countries that are playing Mobile Legends. And then eventually, we want to expand to Dota 2, CSGO, and take kind of like the entire esports community. Our task really, we started really launching our POC in January 2024, where we kind of had less 5,000 pesos prize pool. And we were able to also do revenue by February 2024, where we were able to achieve just a small number of 5,000 Telegram stars. But as of the moment, we have 9,000 Telegram stars of revenue. We've had 1,000 app users from the Mobile Legends community or the Web 2, and we're actually onboarding them from Web 2 to Web 3. We also have around 250 joiners every week, and so that's like 25% of our user base. They're very active. They love it. They've been playing every single week. And what we're really asking for help is really funding. We're running bootstrap right now, so all of the prize money and all of that's coming from the founders' pockets. We also want to expand to, again, Malaysian and Indonesian markets. Obviously, the language barrier is different, and we also need some more marketing. So I don't think we've been listed in ton apps yet, but really, I think the idea for us is we want to onboard Web 2 users to Web 3. So yeah, that's it. If there are any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Siver. And Yuki, yes, your hand is up.
We have seen quite a lot of similar products, to be honest. My first question is, what's your unique selling point compared to like similar other e-gaming based on esports? And the second, what's your special user acquisition method? I didn't really see in the PowerPoint. And the third question is, we have a stricter compliance requirement in Telegram games, Tong games. So how do you ensure you following the line?
So one key thing that we do have, and I think it's our secret sauce, is we're really I'll go back to the slide where I have a former esports player within the team. And so he himself is very connected within the Mobile Legends community. And what we really plan to do when it comes to compliance, we know that when it comes to like IP and all of that, what we're only working with is publicly available data. And we're not really, we're kind of like, we're not violating by touching the trademarks of Mobile Legends. Another thing that we've done extensive research on is really just on ensuring that the money in and the money out, we are doing it as a game of skill, not a game of chance. So we're not we kind of like look at all of the laws within the world, and we make sure that within the US, at least the US law, that one that we're following, esports or fantasy esports, the way we're doing it is considered as a game of skill. And I think that should answer your question. We also plan to do a lot more partnerships directly with the game itself. So we are in talks with Montoon. Actually, they've already looked at reaching out with us. So we really want to kind of like be the partner, right, across multiple esports titles. We don't want to do this in a very community decentralized layer, but it's really more of empowering the community within the Mobile Legends. First, the Mobile Legends community.
Okay, thank you. I saw your community members, the quantities are like around hundreds, still quite early stage. May I ask,
Yes.
what's your main market at this moment, and what kind of partners you already worked with?
So our main partners and the main market that we have is in the Philippines. We've already had partnerships with several casters several KOLs within the Mobile Legends community. We're really focusing on marketing a lot on the Facebook side, and we've brought a lot of users who are unfamiliar that there's such a thing as Telegram mini app, and they've already started getting familiarized with it. So I think we're really proud of that. What we want to be isn't to kind of like engage the same Web3 community, but we really want to bring the Web2 users, those who don't really know how to use Telegram mini apps yet, and allow them to try using Telegram mini apps first. So most of the user base we have aren't Web3 native.
Okay, so can I tell like it's more like a mini TG mini app rather than a Tom mini app?
As of the moment, yes, it's more of a TG mini app. But eventually, what we do see is that when we give like a lot of Web3 concepts to the community, they still don't understand it. But the roadmap, what we want to accomplish is eventually integrate Web3 or TON mechanics as well, which is where the trading cards come in, the NFTs of the athletes come in.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so Josephine, your hand is up. If there is something quick, let's do it.
Yeah, I just want to ask, like, in the very near future, can you please list out three main market that you want to focus on to increase the user from them?
So we really want to increase within the MENA region. So Mobile Legends is, the LATAM region as well. Mobile Legends is strong in Brazil, in Indonesia, and Malaysia. So those are the three main markets that we're really looking to expand into, because Mobile Legends is already pretty strong there.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so let's move on. We have one concluding project here today. Thank you,
Thank you.
Siver. And I'm inviting Nishant from project name Trading Base. Hello, you're in mute.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
It's loading. Yeah, it's here now.
Yes. Okay, hi. Hi, guys. So I'm Nishant. I represent Trading Base. And let me dive deep into what is Trading Base. So Trading Base is building a global leading AI plus Web3 data aggregation model. So as we know, there's a lot of influx of information in the Web3 space, because of which people who want to do smart trading or people who want to do fundraising, they don't have any tool that gives them accurate information of which narratives are hot, which strategy is good. So this is where Trading Base dives in. So Trading Base is deploying AI technology that is in turn is being used to develop an intelligent system that can make complex decisions by in combination with machine learning and natural language processing. It's basically a Bloomberg sort of a tool that is providing information about Web3, how Bloomberg provides information about the TradFi. So it's a data aggregation platform that uses AI and Web3, and it provides global investors intelligent data analysis, market trends, so that they can make informed decisions. The mission of trading based AI, is to make trading smarter and efficient, and the vision is to bring this technology to users all around the world. Some of the great features of the platform include copy trading. For example, you have copy trading in Binance, OKX, different platform. Here you have copy trading as well, but it's based on AI. So the results of AI trading have been better than humans, so you can minimize human error here. You can also there's also a risk development system, and also you get real-time information alerts which help you to do the hedging. And there's different multi-dimension data sources from different institutional clients, other clients that can be combined to enhance your trading strategy. Another one is AI analysis engine. By using machine learning algorithm, you can identify potential market trends and be a better investor in the long run. So we have different kinds of memberships. So memberships include VIP memberships. VIP memberships has lifetime access to AI services, different strategies on different trading platforms using AI. Then you can see different giant activities that are happening in terms of whales selling and buying different cryptocurrencies. We are currently deploying different KOLs to partner with us so that we can increase our trading volume, and this trading volume percentage is given to the members who are our VIP members. Our future plan is basically going to focus on developing all this system on Ton blockchain, and then expanding into different blockchains and bringing this system to different jurisdictions, different countries all around the world, and increase our paid users to 50,000 in 1 year of time. So currently we are raising $5 million at 50 million valuation. Most of this money is going to be used in technology development and marketing, and also if we plan to do our token in the exchange listing and market making. So currently our product is live. We have 100K registrations, 100,000 paid subscriptions. We have raised 150,000 US dollars from the paid members, and yeah. And in terms of partnerships, we have partnership with Ethereum ecosystem, Solana, Binance. By partnerships, I mean we use their data to be published, to be used in our trading app. And also we are partnered with Tech Hub News for the media. And we are also using Ton. We are also going to be developing a Ton mini app. So where you'll be able to predict the price of the Ton token, and by which you'll be earning points. These points will be able to be utilized in the trading base app to unlock different features using AI and different trading strategies. Or this Ton, it could be kept into Ton wallet and can be used, can be used later in terms of points or different other trading strategies. And in terms of revenue, our strategy to get revenue in future is to target the institutional clients like hedge funds, other asset managers who would be able to utilize our information to enhance their trading
the time is over.
volume.
Please make a conclusion, and I will be waiting for our
Yes.
juries to raise their hands. Shashank, please.
So you mentioned that you had some kind of partnership with Ton. Like, to whom exactly you have partnered with? Because you have mentioned it in your
So we have partnered. So basically, we have talks with Ton to use their data. For example, in which projects we'll be. Let me show you a little bit of our. 1 second.
No, exactly. I mean, have you like talked with anyone or have you signed anything with the
Yeah. No, we are in talks to sign an agreement that we'll be using their data to see which projects they've been investing and which narratives are hot at the moment. Yes.
Okay. I just suggest you please don't use any partnership logo if you haven't signed anything.
Okay. Actually, with Binance Labs and Ethereum and Solana, we have an agreement. With Thon, I think we should. I mean, I just need to double check. I'm pretty sure if the logo is here, we have some kind of a verbal agreement or talks going on with them.
Okay, no issue. Yeah, good.
Okay. Yeah. Sahil, please.
Hey Nishant, thank you for the presentation. Can you explain a little bit about your copy trading based on AI, and what
So
is that all about?
So what's going to happen is, on Binance, you have when you go to when you have copy trade options.
Mhm.
So here you will have copy trade options as well, but the trading will use the AI strategy that we have on the trading based system.
How does
And
how
then you will have I can show you the system. 1 second.
no, one quick question, but how doesn't it just kind of kill the whole purpose of copy trading when AI is trading based on its strategy?
No. So this strategy, you can copy the strategy that is developed by our system, and then you can copy that. It's not from some other user.
Okay, so it's not copy trading, it's
Yeah.
basically utilizing your strategy.
Yes. By copy trading, what I meant is basically what I meant was you copy the strategy from the system. Yeah. Not
Okay, so you're not
someone else's
copying,
strategy.
yeah, because copy trading essentially as a term itself
No,
means
no,
that you're copying
I
somebody's
said,
wallet.
yeah. I said like you have copy trading, we have trading that is based on AI, and that you could deploy that. That's what I meant.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. One more question from Yuki.
Yeah, I actually have quite a few questions. The first one is I'm just curious, the partnership with Solana, Ethereum, what kind of partnership you already confirmed? Except to
So
use
we
the
have
data. Hold on, let me
yeah.
finish my question. And then are you using the similar strategy to partner with Tong? And I noticed you have a plan your main revenue stream is from like paid users, right? So what's your plan to enlarge the scalability, attract more paid users?
So our how we will be using KOLs in future to increase the trading volume, and the VIP members get a certain percentage of the trading fee. So that's why this is our incentive. So you get, for example, you make a big trade, so you'll be getting a significant amount of portion that is generated as trading fee. Dividend platforms. So like around 20% to 30%. Yeah.
Okay. So how about the question in terms of the partnership?
So for partnership, the partnership that we have is you can, as I'm sharing my screen, you can see institutions. We have we have information. We'll be posting information in which projects these guys are investing. So this information is going to be displayed here. So that's what we have the partnership for, to use the data and to talk about the hot narratives in the system.
So it's like you using your AI technology to summarize the partner's trading strategy and then promote to your users. Is that correct?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Cool. Okay, thank you.
I just want to ask one like a small question also.
Yes.
Like for example, you told us, you'll be sharing all those companies which in these guys are going to be investor. Like, are they going to be invest in future or like the company in which they already have invested?
So there's two things. So the partners that we have, we can leverage them for our fundraising as well. And the for example, you see OKX Ventures here, right? So you can see all the companies that they're investing in. So it's going to be it's going to be both of them.
So it's live. It's this data I can find in CoinGecko and like other platform.
You can find it in other platform, but we have a lot more number of partners. And then also what we have is, for example, if we want to, some of the trading strategies that we want to deploy using API. We are in talks with OKX having our trading strategy as copy trading on their platform. So that's the deal that we're gonna. That's how we're different.
So like, is this like done with OKX, or is this kind of talks going on?
No. We are partnered with OKX. That's why we are using. We are partnered with OKX. So for the copy trading, once we will have the licensing more clear, then we will then we'll have a more clear picture on that side.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Nishant, for presenting. And that was our concluding project of today's demo day at Tonest. And yeah, before we go, I would like to say thank you to all the jury members, all the speakers who were pitching here today, and all those people who've been watching this on our YouTube channel. And we'll be sharing the recording once again after we render all the things with the evaluation sheet, with the recording file, etc. And yeah, thank you once again. Please stay tuned for the updates and see you soon. Bye bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alex.
Bye
Bye-bye.